All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So main, the key part of something, the main area, the main land, the main person, the main menu, most important part, the main person to speak to. That was the main entrance. That is the main lighthouse in the area. The most important lighthouse in the area. The main one. There's others, but they're small, but that's the main one. Those are the main subjects we will learn. We will talk about different topics, and the main one will be about English. How cool is that? Yeah. I wrote the main article last week. I wrote the main chapters yesterday. I think I wrote the main events in the story earlier. The main events, yeah. She is reading the main section of the document now. Yes, the introduction, the ending, the main part. Yes. He is eating his main menu now. The main menu now. Well, the main meal now. Yeah, that's it. Now, they are reading the main menu. Yeah. How cool is that? Are you going to leave through the main exit? Well, we came in through the main entrance, so we should leave through the main exit. Well, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorer? So, main, the main topic, the main article, main document, main person. Yeah. This is the main book. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, can you use main in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.